In the United States, the FDA defines cosmetics as products intended to cleanse, beautify, or enhance appearance without affecting the body's structure or functions. However, when a product goes beyond that and claims to treat or prevent a disease or to impact how the body works, it may no longer be considered a cosmetic. Instead, it falls under a stricter category, an over-the-counter or OTC drug. Because of their intended use and physiological effect, over-the-counter products are subject to stricter regulations by the FDA compared to regular cosmetic products. Here are the essential steps in the FDA registration and compliance process for over-the-counter products. Before anything else, it's important to assess whether your product meets the definition of an OTC drug. If the product claims to treat a condition, like acne, sunburn, or dandruff, or provides functional benefits such as sun protection or antiperspiration, it's most likely considered an OTC product by the FDA. OTC products must align with an FDA OTC monograph, a kind of a rule book that outlines acceptable active ingredients, dosages, indications, labeling, and usage instructions. If your product falls under an existing monograph and fully complies, it can be marketed without a separate pre-market approval. All facilities involved in the manufacturing or processing of OTC drugs must be registered with the FDA. This is called establishment registration, and it ensures that your facility, whether domestic or international, is known to the agency and subject to regulatory oversight. Each OTC product must be listed with the FDA, and a unique National Drug Code or NDC number must be assigned. This code serves as a universal identifier for drug products in the US and must be included on the product label. Unlike cosmetic labels, OTC drug labels must follow a standardized drug facts format. This label must clearly communicate the product's active ingredients, purpose, usage instructions, warnings, and other critical safety information. Accuracy and clarity in this section are non-negotiable. OTC products must be manufactured in accordance with GMP regulations. These are strict quality control measures that cover all aspects of production, from raw materials and equipment to personnel hygiene and documentation, ensuring consistency, safety, and product integrity. Finally, once your OTC product is on the market, you're required to monitor and report any adverse events, especially serious ones, to the FDA. This post-market surveillance is essential for ongoing safety monitoring and compliance. At CE.way Regulatory Consultants, we guide you through each step, from product classification and monograph alignment to label review, FDA registration, and post-market obligations, making sure your product is fully compliant and market ready.